takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Addy mode.
Okay. I've lost it. Looks like we've lost Sparky. I don't know where he's flying. We've lost Sparky.
Maximum flight distance reached.
We've lost Sparky. I don't know where he's going. Okay, well, looks like we're going to lose Sparky.
Go home.
Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. It says it's going to return home. I have no idea what's happened there. We lost GPS, went into Addy mode, just started doing weird things. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, folks, if anyone's watching, but Sparky's did a runner. I don't know where he's going. Okay, well, this is interesting. It says I'm 470 metres away. I don't know where the hell it's gone. It's just it says it's returning to me, but where is it? I have no idea. Oh, this is great. Oh, I had a compass error message, and then I had IMU messages come up, and then lost GPS. Okay, so it says it's coming home, but the initial return to home wasn't working at all, and I could only steer it left or right, forward or back. It wouldn't go anywhere, so I'm not sure. It says, okay, I can see it above me now, so Okay, so I can stop it. So it says it's coming down. Oh, it's way off. The return to home is way off. Oh no, it's coming back. That is weird. Well, that scared the shit out of me there, folks. I'm not sure what's happened there. It's gone. It's meant to go only 400... landing, yeah, it's landing. It's meant to go only 480 metres, which is preset. And that went like 560 metres without... Yeah, so I'm going to post this video. Oh, well, it's actually going to Facebook anyway, but I'll post it in a couple other groups. So that's weird. Yeah, coming up with IMU, compass error, no GPS. And I had no bloody control. Alright, it's coming down, so it looks like the return to home finally worked. That's weird ass. Okay, and it's actually landing. If I turn the camera down. Okay. There's the box that it lands on, so it's pretty close to it. About 2 feet off. But anyway, I've got him home. That's weird. But, yeah, weird. Anyway, I'll land him and I'll recalibrate it. Anyway, enjoy the video, as scary as it was for me.